Hi, my name is Tony DiGiovanni. I'm the Executive Director of Landscape Ontario, and I want to tell you about this absolutely fantastic project that our members are involved in. After all of the use, because of the Occupy Toronto demonstration in the park, the turf was basically pulverized and all the soil was compacted, and we thought it would be a great demonstration of our members' work and professionalism to volunteer to restore the turf and the landscape back to its original splendor. St. James Park is absolutely beautiful, and we want to make it beautiful once again.
We're here today to renovate this park and restore it back to its original condition. It's a 2-day project roughly with forces from Landscape Ontario, and we're going to prepare the soil today, aerating, topsoiling, mulching around the tree beds. Tomorrow we're laying sod, probably 10,000 rolls of sod.
Hi, I'm Zoraida Allman from CTV News. We're here covering the revitalization of St. James Park. It's an important story because the Occupy Toronto protest took up a lot of the media spotlight for many, many weeks, and now that they've been evacuated from this place or evicted from this place, a lot of the members of the city felt it was important that we revitalize this park. So this park means a lot to a lot of people who live and work in the city. And now it looks like we are getting some progress here as far as getting it back to its old, beautiful self. So I think it's an important story. I think a lot of people will be interested to see the transformation, and they'll be, it's a good news story, which is always nice to cover and to report on.
If something happened to a tree, people would notice and stand up and protect it. But what they don't notice is the tremendous environmental benefit that turf grass gives. This lawn is an enormous benefit to the environment in terms of clean air, clean water, filtering out pollutants, a carbon sink, and the enormous lifestyle benefits.
Hi, my name is Alan White from Turf Systems Inc. I'm here in St. James Park today after being contacted and being moved by a visit here late last week by the damage that was done to this community, in particular this park. Being a turf specialist, I knew we could, with the volunteerism of our peers, fix this park, and today we're doing just that.
Hi, my name is Pat Lamanna from Earth Coast Soil Mixtures, and we're here donating 20 loads of soil for the rejuvenation of St. James Park, so the residents and tourists alike can enjoy the park once again.
A total makeover of this park's going on right now. What originally started as probably just a sod repair, now a massive makeover, a couple $100,000 worth of.
Hi, I'm Brad Vanderwood from Vanderwood Sod Farms. I'm VP of the Nursery Sod Growers Association of Ontario. We got involved here in this project at St. James Park to help the folks of downtown Toronto. We like to give back. It's good for the environment and give people a place to be active.
All I can say is this was just a quick, easy idea on Friday. It's so easy to come up with an idea, but it's nothing without all of you guys. I mean, I can't believe what's happened in terms of the donations of time, materials, everything. This is phenomenal and beyond any of my expectations. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is something I really wanted to see happen. So
Very welcome.
Is there a bed in the back of that van? He's having a snooze? That's what the VT guys do?